These are the scrapings, if you will, that I got from the crock pot and from the containers that I had the colors in. And so I will do a lather test for you just so that you can see how it lathers and everything even before I rebatch it. This is just all that scraped and pressed together. So I'll show you. I didn't do the best job of putting together a bar. It looks like a mess. But anyway, you can see nice big bubbles, very creamy lather. It's pretty nice. So it doesn't fall in the sink like last time. But anyway, I think it's a really good soap. It's really creamy and rich. So anyway, now you can see. That's the goat's milk soap. It feels really silky too. And so we'll rebatch it, and in the next video, that's what you'll see. The rebatching. Alright. Soap Peasant out.